Hi, Vince.
Hi there.
Hi, Vince.
And we're here in... Hi guys, we're here in Mall of Asia Arena and we are here in the Uber pool party. Woo! I'm with Janice and Jerica.
Oops.
Oh! And Percy.
Oh my God.
Oopsie!
What happened? Such a tragic moment for us.
Oopsie. Yeah, again, I'm with Jerica and Percy, Baret, Alay, and Joseph.
Pumili ka na ng kanta.
And we're here and we will and we will start our program in a short while. Okay, we will start the program. For our invocation, we have Jerica Europeo, and to be followed by the Philippine National Anthem to be led by Janice Diaz. Let's go.
Mag-arena tayo.
Ano, Nay?
Saan niya tayo?
Diretso.
Mas kakain ako doon sa stand.
Nay, that's what I like.
Next song, please.
Next song.
Sobrang ano naman. Kasi parang tanga naman dito tayo. Kasi
Oh my God, I like that song. It's from JB.
Nilipat ko na. Huwag na tayo mag-ano ah. Wala na tayong gas.
Oh my God.
Grabe naman yung mag-pyro. Kaya sa magpapagas muna talaga tayo.
Wala na tayong gas. Bakit wala na tayong gas?
Tapos na-stuck tayo dito.
Saan ba mag-isa? Dun sa ano? Medyo.
Si Jerry, ang ganda ng lighting, Jay. Pakita mo si Jay, ang ganda ng lighting.
Anong gagawin ko?
Ano yun?
Maganda ng lighting.
ako.
Bye-bye.
Kung nakita mo lang sarili mo maganda.